Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Alexander and I'm the founder of Titan Agency. In this video I'm gonna share with you 4 ways that you can spy on your competitors' ads, get some ideas and implement in your own ad strategy. So let's get right into the video. The first way is probably the most common way people spy on their competitors' ads, and if you go to your competitor's Facebook page, you can scroll down, find page transparency, click CO, scroll down again and you can go to ad library. And when you come here, by default, Facebook is going to show you the ads in your current location. Because I'm in the United Kingdom, by default it's going to show me all the ads that they are running in the UK. But let's say, for example, if you're in the US, you're going to click the link above and you're going to change this right here where it says country equals GB. You're going to change it to US with capital letters. And you're going to come here and see all the ads they are running in the United States. Now you can see that they are running their ads only to Facebook and Instagram here. You can see their ads copy. You can see the creatives they're using and their call to action button. You can also see how many different audiences they're testing by this number right here. 4 ads use this creative and text means this exact same ad goes to 4 different audiences. And yeah, so that's basically it. Most of the times you're gonna see their ads here, but there's different ways that you can access this and choose the brand that you want to spy on. The second way is to go to the search bar on Facebook and search for engagement rings. And you can see there's gonna appear brands like this one. Again, you can see their ads copy. You can see what kind of creative they're using, their header, and their call to action button. So definitely take example from these big brands because they invest a lot of money on advertising and they have dedicated teams and they're working on this. So the next way is basically from a website called Unicorn Ads, and you can see here spy the top 1% of e-commerce ads. You can click see ads now, and on the top here is gonna ask you to select a niche. For our example, we're gonna choose jewelry. And you can see a lot of jewelry brands are gonna come up, hip-hop jewelry, all kinds. So we can click Command and F on iMac and Control and F if you're on Windows, and you can type engagement rings. And you can see this brand right here, sells engagement rings. So we're gonna click on it, and it's gonna take us right away to their ad library. And again, you can check everything from here. So what kind of copy they're using, how many audiences they're testing, call to action button, creative, etc. But you basically get the point here. And the last way is to use Facebook's Ad Espresso by Hotshoed. And when you come to the website, you're gonna go to Academy and Facebook ad examples, and it's gonna take you to this page. The good thing about them is that you can see right here for this ad example, they're breaking down what's great about this ad. So you can see short, straightforward copy, eye-catching images, and they explain you why. You also have effective landing page, and you can see they have a lot of these ads and examples of them. They have a paid version as well. I've never used it, so I can't give you an advice if it's worth it or not. But I guess if you pay for them, you'll be able to select a specific niche and see a breakdown of good working ads the same way here. If you scroll to the bottom, you'll be able to see, I think they have a couple of free resources, of course, if you give them your email. So they have Facebook ads for beginners guide, and this one right here, the do's and don'ts of Facebook ads. I believe there's going to be great resources, so if you want to check them out. But that's basically it. Very short video. But yeah, hope you got some value out of it. If you found again any value from it, like and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out in the YouTube algorithm. And if you're a business owner looking to start advertising, or you're a business owner and you're running ads but not happy with the results, you can send me an email at alexander@titanagency.co.uk. But that's basically it, guys. Thank you very much for your time, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.